Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how can you log in your account into FlyBuys. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your FlyBuys application at very first. Then after opening the FlyBuys application, this page will be appeared. Now in order to log in, you will directly get the option of sign in into here. Simply tap into that and then you just simply have to enter your email address or FlyBuys number into this top row. Then after that, you just simply have to enter your password at the second row. But if you don't have the access to the email or FlyBuys number, you can scan your card by tapping into here if you have any card handy. And after filling up those details, just simply tap to sign in button and you will successfully be logged in to FlyBuys. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.